I personally enjoy sipping some delicious soup, especially when I'm feeling unwell or when it's the cold season, because the soup has lots of nutrients and it's super healthy. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make some delicious chicken tumbukiza, which is a Kenyan classic that you can enjoy anytime. For the recipe, you need fresh ingredients, and I have some spinach, potatoes, carrots, tomatoes, an onion, chilies, which are quite optional, and the best part about the recipe is that you can throw in some more veggies of your choice. You'll start off by cutting up your chicken into pieces, and for the recipe, I'm using a whole chicken. So I'm going to place my fresh veggies aside, pick my chicken and place it on my chopping board. Then using a sharp knife, I'm going to flip the chicken, remove the chicken quarters, that is the thigh plus the drumstick. You're going to snap the joint, remove the chicken quarter and place in your bowl. Remove the chicken wing by snapping the joints and cutting with your knife. Repeat on the other side. Then next, I'm going to remove the chicken breast. Then I'm going to cut the chicken breast into pieces. Transfer to the bowl. Now I have my backbone, which I'm going to be cutting in half. And once done, it's time to cook our delicious chicken tumbukiza. So you're going to place a pot over medium flame and add in a little bit of oil, about a tablespoon. Then next, you're going to be adding in your chicken. Adding 4 cups of water and let the pot come to a boil. Meanwhile, I'm going to be slicing up some veggies. So I'll start off with my carrots. Cut into large pieces because yes, we are making tumbukiza. So you don't need to cut into small pieces. Place aside, pick the rest. Then I'm going to pick tomatoes, remove the pit and roughly cut up my tomato as well. Then lastly, I'm going to be slicing up my onion. So you're going to cut your onion in half and into strips. After around 3 minutes, this is how your chicken is going to be looking like. So you're going to use a sieve and remove the foam that's on top. I'm using a metallic sieve. And once done, you're going to add in all the veggies, starting with your potatoes. So very carefully, I'm going to drop in the potatoes and make sure they're the same size so that they can cook evenly. Add in carrots, tomatoes, and onions. Add in 2 chilies, and they're not super spicy. Add in a stock cube for seasoning. Stir in the veggies and make sure the potatoes are fully submerged in the water so that they can boil evenly. And because I've added in a stock cube, I'm going to add in a little bit of salt to fully season my tumbukiza. Everything is looking amazing at this point. Cover and let this slowly simmer over medium flame for around 10 to 15 minutes. This is after 12 minutes. Wow, the tumbukiza is looking so good at this point, so I'm going to add in some spinach. Make sure the spinach is fully submerged in the soup. Cover and simmer for 3 more minutes. As the tumbukiza is cooking, you're going to catch a very nice aroma in your kitchen. And because it's been 15 minutes, I've noticed that the potatoes are well cooked and also the carrots are cooked. The chicken is very well cooked and everything looks perfect. Make sure to check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, add in a little bit salt to get the perfect tumbukiza. So I'm going to put out the flames, get a bowl because I'm super craving this delicious tumbukiza. Make sure to get everything in your bowl. And then I'm going to scoop out some soup. Once your chicken tumbukiza is ready, it's going to be looking very vibrant because we have different colors. It's going to be filled with cooked veggies, which are not overcooked. And every sip is going to be delicious because the soup is well seasoned. So this is a recipe that you can serve as a main dish because it's filled with lots of veggies, especially potatoes, because they are super filling. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try.